Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make crispy prawn fry recipe. We can make this tasty crispy prawn 65 in 30 minutes. Anyone can make this recipe. It's so simple and quick one. Let's move to the video. In a bowl take 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves, 1 egg white, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Now add half kg cleaned prawn. Mix the paste very well on prawn. Marinate for 30 minutes. In a pan take 3 tablespoon oil. Deep fry the prawn on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our crispy prawn 65 is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.